maybe we should go make another cooking video. Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here. Have you seen these new Kraft Pasta Sides? I thought it would be easy for camp, and we could give it a cook and see what it tastes like. So here we go. This is the pasta side. This is the creamy tomato and shells. There's 3 different varieties. I took a picture in the grocery store. Here it is. All right, so we're gonna cook this one up. I'm gonna try out my Stanley cup. I've never used it before. I'm hoping it's gonna have enough volume in it to cook the pasta, and then maybe we'll mix the pasta and sauce in a freezer bag so I don't dirty my cup. See there? We're using the Bear noggin. All right, let's cook. We need water. We need a stove. We need to light the stove. We need water. We need to light the stove. Da, 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 da. All right, Stanley cup, let's see what you're made of. All right, in the meantime, let's see what comes in the box. If it were me, I would pack this guy down into like a Ziploc or something. I would take this box on the trail. All right, so here's what we've got. We've got sauce, and sauce is wet. It's ready to go, okay? We've got the pasta. You see that? Ah, there we go, pasta. And there's some Parmesan cheese for topping. Now, if you want to, this is the time to season your water. This is when the salt goes in, okay? You can't season your pasta later. Alright, here we go, y'all. We got a boil. And I know a lot of you use this Stanley cup over the campfire. So I thought this would be a good pasta for doing that, because honestly, it's got a little cook time to it. It's got to cook for 15 minutes. Uh-oh. Boil over. Alright, so I'm going to cut that heat down really low, because once we're boiling, it doesn't take much to keep it boiling. I'll cut the stove down some more, keep an eye on it, make sure I maintain a boil. But I'll use as little fuel as possible to do this. Like I said, I think a lot of people are using these cook pots at the campfire, and this would be perfect hanging out at the campfire. Alright, let's see, what have I done here? I put my sauce in my Ziploc. I just kind of got it sitting up on top of the lid there, warming it up a little bit, getting a little pre-warm. I put some foil up because my stove was getting killed by the wind, but I thought you might want a little nutritional look. So, let's see here. There we go. The steam from cooking my pasta actually turned out to be very effective at heating the sauce in the freezer bag. Alright y'all, our 15 minutes is up now. So let's cut the heat off. Wow, that's warmed up my sauce pretty good. No leaks in the bag. We need to drain our pasta. Oh man, can you see that? Those are pretty nice big shells. Alright, let's get them in my sauce. We're gonna mix it in the bag. And you know, my theory is you could just heat the sauce this way, but of course now I've preheated it, and you know, you could just eat it right out of the bag at camp if you wanted to, but we're gonna put it in a bowl here so you can see what's going on. Let's see here, get you down here to bowl level. Oh man, that's one nice hearty serving for one. Let's top it with our Parmesan it came with. And let's go dig in. Can y'all see the lake behind me? Oh, let's see what we've got here while it's still hot. It's so cold out here, it's not gonna stay hot long. All right, 1 to 5, I'm gonna give it a 4. I'm gonna give it a 4 because it's easy. All you need is a way to boil water for a little while at camp. A 4 because it's okay tasting. It's not my favorite, I can tell you that right away. But it's not bad. It's kind of a light tomato sauce. And it's, you know, Parmesan cheese. And there we go. It's a good base. It's a meal. It'll be fun to mess with at camp and easy. We'll give it 4 out of 5. And we'll see you on the trail. Can I do decimals? Can I go 3.8? It wasn't great, but it was okay. 3.8. We'll round it up to 4.